Birthday gift for you.
Thank you. Don't touch me with the slime.
Nice, not so bad. Hindi gaya kahapon na sobrang maulan.
Philippines. I mean, this is Philippines. There's nobody there in a restaurant.
Eating banana. Happy birthday. Wait. Happy birthday.
Nina, look behind you. Look now.
Hmm?
Look now.
No, later. Wait for daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Can take to me. Mama, it's birthday.
Yeah.
And then we can open the present later.
Later.
Thanks.
Yeah, you go brush your teeth first.
Okay. This was our tip. Wait, I need to wash my clothes.
Then here this idea.
No way. Yes. Yes. Oh, baby. God. So cute.
Big gummy.
Stitch. Oh my God. Do you like it, Nina?
Okay, okay na.
Okay.
Dun cover it. So where you going, sa? Down.
Cute accent.
Down, be, please.
Yeah.
Alisa do it, cause it's Alina do it, cause it's her birthday.
Oh, I love this Sunday. Love it. Get her to still on me.
Lisa, please. Lisa, please. Move. It's Alisa and Alina.
Let's Christmas set. Wow. There is Stitch Heaven.
Messy.
Stitch Heaven. Nina's
Missy.
my turn.
Kasi inaano niya, nire-request niya talaga yan.
Real. Nina.
Yeah, yung labobo na yan.
I want. Okay, my turn. Oh, my turn. It's mine. It's my turn. Oh,
What you say?
This is for me. Thank you for the lullaby. This is for me? No. Oh. It's mine. Oh. I want it. Now give it to me.
Did Alisa open as well? Can
Let's
you please,
open it this.
can you please get down, Lisa?
Let's open this. I never got my dress. You know, I'll help you.
May Alisa help us. Ganap kasi kami na maliwanag mga kachika. Kay ano, yung masidilim pa. May, dun ba?
Yeah, help me please. I'll do it.
Pwede na yung restaurant nila mga kachika. Hinda na yung mga breakfast. Nag-antay na lang yan sa mga guest na kumain.
There's only people there now.
Not yet.
I think they're still sleeping.
Yeah, it's too early. It's so early. Very early.
Where's the swimming?
I don't know. Maybe the other side.
This side.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to go swimming today. Before what that?
Read it.
Slimy. Oh, it's this one.
Daughter, yeah.
Alina. Happy 7th birthday.
It's not 7, 8.
8th, sorry. 8th birthday. Have a always respect Mama.
Always respect, but always remember.
Always remember, Mama love you so much. Why is it S?
Yeah, it's S. It's not 8. That's how I write it.
Ah.
What are you going to say?
Thank you.
Okay, how about the other one?
Oh, this one.
Okay,
Lisa,
that's from
Lisa.
Alisa.
This is for me. Isn't this nice? So this is one.
Mm.
Nice. Yeah. You open this.
Okay.
Did Lisa write this?
Yeah.
My God, it's so scruffy. Happy birthday. Can't read it.
My sister, Alina.
I love you, Alisa.
Okay, how about this one?
Can you read Daddy's? Can read it?
You can't read Daddy's writing now. It's difficult.
How?
Daddy there is still sleeping. 7:30 na pala mga kachika. Kinao ko ang aga na gising.
From?
Yeah, assist to Alina.
Wow, Daddy's got very weird writing.
You have to say thank you later, Daddy, for your birthday present. Okay?
What's the birthday present Daddy gave me?
The Barbie and you know, the unicorn you open.
Princess. Oh, you see? There's a world search here. Nice.
Nice, no? You can play with that.
Happy birthday, my... Can you read it?
Yes. Happy birthday, my lovely daughter Alina. Have an 8th birthday fit for a princess. All my love, Daddy.
Who gave this to me?
No, it's Alisa.
Are you joking? Alisa gave this to me.
Alisa's birthday gift for you.
Thank you. Don't touch me with the slime. I don't want it.
Hmm?
Wait, can you go again?
What?
I can't how you say the Philippines in the bellow.
Oh, name.
Maybe she look, Mama 2, 3, 2. Down. Lisa, I'm gonna go home and put the button on.
They have
Huh?
gym.
Do you go swimming?
I'm not sure you got swimming pool. I'm not sure. You don't really need to go swimming because you know. Because
Going down?
you going down?
Yeah.
Alright, come. Thank you. Kaya na tayo mga kachika. Breakfast. Na-miss ko yung mag-breakfast ka sa ano ba? Good. Well done. Very good. Mister pala, nandoon pa, natutulog pa. Ano yung mga breakfast na cereal na siya ako. Ayaw ko. Yeah, I got more potatoes here. It's called, oh! I forgot what you call that one, babe. Hash brown. Hash brown. Ayaw ko yung toast. Gusto ko yung plain lang yung bread ba. Huwag ng toast. Nag-asa ko ng coffee kasi nag-ano ko dun sa coffee machine. Wala nang laman yung coffee nila. Kain tayo mga katsika. Sabi na small coming down. Kain tayo. Ang sarapan ako ng ano nila nito mga katsika ba yung beans. Masarap.
I hate you.
Huh? Hmm? Right there. Ano ako nagpang-bill kayo. Dito pa kami yung iba kasi nag-alisa na dito banda sa likod namin. May ingay ba? Nahiya din ako mag-video, may maraming tao sa likod namin. Buti ngayon kakaunti na lang. Mister yata tulog pa kasi hindi pa bumaba.
All of my stuff out for my lullaby.
Mm-hmm.
All of my stuff out.
Mm.
popcorn. Where's your popcorn? Hey, you need to... So I got popcorn, and a bracelet for her. So where's and there, and a umbrella, and a cookie, a candy, cookies, and a bag, and a cookie. Headphones, because for like, oh wow. And that's it.
Why you so quiet?
Don't you have to eat these two?
They're gonna eat it if they want more.
Well, you should get some more.
Potato.
Mushrooms.
Magkuha ako ng yogurt mga kachika. Yan, maraming fruits. Ito yung mga food nila dito. Hindi man gaya sa atin na ano.
Oh, that one's the snail.
Dina, I have this one din na oh. The pink one.
On white and pink.
White and pink mix.
I'll do it.
Okay, then.
Mix. Yes.
Okay. Oh, you want that one? Okay. Okay, slowly. Don't make mess, please. Okay. Take it, babe. I'm gonna have...
the yogurt.
Yeah, I'm gonna have the white. Ngayon lang ako nagka-video-video na nandito na semester mga kachika. Ayan yan sa butter. Yan. Okay, tara. Andiyon yung toast nila. Bread.
There you go.
Okay, tara. Okay. Alisa, mo acting Lisa. It's like a teenager.
No.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
She's acting.
Oh no, where's the key card? Where's the key card?
It's locked.
Happy
Birthday to you.
That's locked.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alina. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
Come on, have a kiss.
Happy birthday, girl.
No, you're not kiss. On the one cheek. On the other cheek.
Yeah. On the head.
On the head.
Nose.
On the nose.
Ear.
Ear.
Where's it? And now the ear.
Oh, the other ear. God bless you.
Suot na naman niya yung paborito niyang skirt. Siya din nag-fix dito. Sabi ko, who fixed the bed? Sabi niya siya daw. Alina kasi naggawa ng kanyang bracelet. Okay, give me my blanket, please. My blanket. Thank you, sa doing the bed.
Oh, look at that. It's a big bed to make for you, isn't it? That's a good girl. Oh, it's nice, that. Wow. Look at that. Yeah,
Wow.
Lisa.
Well done, Lisa.
Look at that. Perfect. That's perfect. Perfect in every way.
Wow. Thank you.
Very good girl.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Nga, di sa mga kachika, binalik niya talaga yung skirt niya. Hindi ko na lang inano, Bisa, wait, Lisa. Kay, nagkabis mo yan siya, yung skirt lang, niya, pinalitan niya talaga yung skirt na sinuot niya kanina. Kay magganyan daw siya, skirt. Nag-vlog na.
With the real Peppa Pig.
Dito kami. It's not so bad. Hindi gaya kahapon na sobrang maulan. Oh, bless you. You want tissue, Daddy?
She's gone on the front of the hotel, so back. Yeah.
Guess they went that way. We went in last night that side.
So you want the M27? You didn't really explain very well.
Daddy, you don't want to get lost.
You should have printed me a map.
Daddy, you don't want to get lost.
No. In mother's direction.
Dito na kami mga kachika. Hindi pa talaga sa destination ay, pero dito na. Papunta na ba kami ba? So anyway, ayan si Alisa nakatulog mga kachika. Kaya sobrang aga yan siya nagising. Yung oras yan siya nagising kaya na siguro mga 4:30. Gising na yan. Tapos anong oras siya natulog kagabi? Siguro before 10 kagabi tulog na siya. Pero ayan, ko alam kung bakit sobrang aga natulog. O nagising. Excited. Tingin-tingin sa sa ano,
This way?
sa bintana. Yan, sarap ng tulog. Dito pala yung pinuntahan namin dito sa Peppa Pig World. Diba nagpunta na kami kahapon, tapos hindi pa talaga namin people already. Hindi pa talaga namin nalibot lahat kasi malaki yung vlog namin na yung pagdating namin dito. Yun yung vlog namin, tapos marami pang mga rides na hindi pa namin nasakyan. Tapos marami mga kachika kasi malaki to dito. So anyway, yung pagpunta namin dito parang package na siya ng pagbayad namin sa hotel.
It's like a high coat.
I don't know.
I'll try.
Package na siya sa hotel at saka yung pagpunta dito. Stay kami sa hotel.
Oh, here.
Here na lang, Daddy.
Huh?
Here in Prague, here na lang.
Yeah? And then
Yeah.
you walk through? No?
Yeah. Then we walk through from there. Yeah, walk through there. Yeah. That's it.
Yes. Let's walk.
And then yung ticket namin dito sa Peppa Pig World ay valid siya for 2 days. Yesterday at saka today. So kaya kahapon pumunta talaga kami dito diretso bago kami nagpunta ng hotel kasi mas maaga kasi pagdating namin, tapos yung check-in ay I think mga 2 or 3 o'clock pa ng hapon, tapos kahapon maaga-aga pa kami dumating dito, di ba? Mga 1:30 yata kami dumating dito kahapon. Ay na, birthday girl. Tingnan
Oh,
niyo.
all these cars are ready.
Puno already, oh. It's only 11:25. Puno na yung car park. Almost.
What do you mean? We're going through there.
Go through there and then we go that side because we went to the other side yesterday. So we go to the side that we haven't been yesterday.
Oh, a bit breezy out here.
Smells very nice, Daddy.
Give it 10 minutes.
Hiniwalay-walay ko na yung ticket. Ito pala yung ticket
May
namin
wake up.
kahapon kasi
Hang on,
pagdating namin kahapon dito, hindi pa namin to napaprint. Tapos doon kasi to yung barcode, kailangan nila yung barcode. Tapos puti na lang may anuhan sila dyan. Tapos print nila para sa amin. So ito na yung kahapon nga at today. So kinipa namin sila kasi ano na naman nila to today, yung barcode. Okay na. So magtambay-tambay lang muna kami dito saglit kasi si Alisa natutulog ba mga kachika ba? Maya-maya namin gisingin. Hello, beautiful. You look so pretty today, the birthday girl.
She is. It's very grown up.
Sit down here in front, in my lap.
Yeah.
Yung parking dito, free na siya. Kasi pag hindi ka mag-stay ng hotel mga kachika, magbayad ka lang dito. Ay ano siya, for a family, I think 174. Pero ano na siya, bali 2 days mo na siya na gagamitin. So pag 1 day ka lang pupunta dito, I think same pa din yung price na babayaran mo. Pero yun nga, pag mag-stay ka naman ng hotel, pero wala din naman close na mga nearby ba na mga hotel ba, kailangan pa din mag-travel na mga, gaya doon sa inistihan namin, mga 30-35 minutes yung travel papunta dito. Meron naman mas malapit pero hindi namin bet yung location ba, tsaka ganun, mas cheaper din siya compare kung saan kami nag-stay. Pero yun nga, yung location at saka yung hindi maganda yung mga reviews, mga 3-star. I said there's hotels nearby closer to Peppa Pig World, but the location is not good, and it's cheaper, like £100 difference, but the reviews
Where we are is very good.
it's not really good.
Nice hotel, that. Very good.
But the food is as well.
Huh? No, it's good. Good place. Place.
I don't want to eat.
Mr. You press it. Ginawan ko pala siya ng ganito kasi niregalo ko to sa kanya. Mga, what you call this one? Beads?
Pearl.
Beads? Pearl?
Huh?
A bead's pearl.
Beads pearl.
Beads. Yeah, the beads.
I think you're gonna need your sun hat today, okay? So you don't wanna sunburn put your sun hat and then put this on the top.
I'll take it with it.
Lisa.
Your nails are long.
Is it long?
Yeah.
Not long. What about? It's not dirty.
Your nails long.
Lisa, we're here.
Oh God, look at that ice.
Okay, let me do it na. So we're here, Peppa Pig.
You're running the playground. I can't.
You can't? Okay, help her. Keep the belt off.
Right now?
Yeah. Can help?
Oh, it's low.
Australia. Yeah, Australia, yeah.
But Philippines.
Oh, no, it's not Antarctica. Philippines.
Maybe this is Philippines.
Yeah. Oh.
Daddy, let's
Can't
go.
find it.
Antarctica. Probably on the other side.
Yeah, ito yung part na to mga katsika na hindi namin pinuntahan yesterday. So punta kami dito ni Alina, tapos si Mr. at saka si Alisa. Gusto ni Alisa bumalik doon kung saan kami nagpunta kahapon, doon na side. Kasi doon kami na side kahapon yung nag-umpisa. Oh yeah, that way. So ito yung birthday gift talaga namin kay Alina. Pag si Alina mag-birthday, napaka-expensive. Kaya na timing pang summertime. So tina-timing na lang din namin na. Yeah. Tina-timing na lang namin yung holiday at saka birthday. Okay, tara.
Sasakay kami dito ni Alina mga kachika. Nakasakay na din kami ng ganito pag pupunta kami ng Crilly ba. Dito mas maliit yung ano nila dito. So yun nga, mababasa ka.
What about those the other ones? You want them as well?
Goodbye, Peppa Pig. You say goodbye to Peppa Pig.
I want Peppa Pig.
Did you have fun day? Fun day on your birthday?
Yeah, best
The best
day.
day?
Yeah.
That's good. Are you happy on your birthday? Are you happy sa
Maybe not.
Alina's birthday?
Not.
Are you happy?